What's going on, guys? It's been a awfully lazy 2 weeks for me. Just been hanging out at the same place, but I certainly can't complain when you open your door and you got this in front of you. Yeah, mountains and rivers and that sound asleep too. I think Uma likes it too. Do you like it, Uma? Yeah. Yeah, not a bad morning. It's been raining a lot the last couple of weeks, that's for sure. Why bother leaving this spot? The weather's no better anywhere else that I'm gonna go. And the scenery isn't gonna get much better than this either. Yeah, like, pretty awesome. Starlink works pretty well here, even with all the tree cover. It gets a little busy on the weekends, but I like it. Yeah, not a bad spot whatsoever. Check it out. And then even my site, can't beat that. The mountains and everything. Uma, you stay here. You're not tied up. Hey, you stay over here. I might have to tie her up. But yeah, why bother leaving this place, right? It's pretty awesome. I'm almost up to 2 weeks, actually. I can't believe it. I stayed in the same place for 2 weeks. But there are some good people here. I've actually met them years previous. One of the guys I saw at 2 different places last year. So yeah, we hung around, had fires, and yeah, just hung out. Nice to have people to chat with and talk to. Hold on, I better find Uma. Hey, baby. What you doing? Hi. So yeah, no sense in leaving. Good sized site right by the river. Kind of a premium spot that everybody wants. Everybody drives by and they want to take the other half of my campsite, but I roped it off. I don't need neighbors. I don't like neighbors. So yeah, at least it's a sunny day today. Gonna have my morning coffee outside. It's finally starting to warm up. Holy cow. Been waiting. It's freaking June. Like, what the hell? So at the end of this week, so by the time this video is out, I'll be at my daughter's already. And they'll be on their way to Arizona to go rafting on the Grand Canyon. But yeah, I'm excited to get some projects done on the van. A lot of other Heimer owners that have this same vehicle have already done this modification. But they put a piano hinge all across here and cut down there, and then this whole section will flip up, and it's just a big opening down there, so it'll create much more storage for shoes, canned goods, food, whatever. I'm always looking for storage, always needing storage. Another thing that I'm doing at my daughter's place is I am taking the bike rack off and leaving my e-bike. After I clean it up, it's a mess. It's all rusty from Mexico from being by the salt water. Not that I'm complaining about being by salt water. But yeah, I'm going to leave my bike behind this winter. Didn't use it much in the last couple of years. I use it when I'm in the cities to go get groceries and stuff, but I don't seem to use it when I'm camping anymore. So yeah, I'm going to ditch it for a year and see if I use it or not, and see what happens. But yeah, I'm trying to think of what the other projects are for the van. Oh, I thought I was having a bunch of leaks last October. Before I left south, it was raining a lot on Vancouver Island, and I was getting a leak from somewhere up top, but like I said, it's been raining for almost 2 weeks straight. I've had the odd few days where it hasn't rained, but it's pretty well rained every day. I've had no water leaks whatsoever, so that's a bonus. Because I was going to go up and reseal everything on the roof. I know it's kind of a big job, but I don't know if I have to yet. If it's not leaking, why bother fix it? So yeah, this place does get a little busy on weekends, like I was saying. I guess to rental companies, they put it on their list of places to come to. It's only like 2 kilometers off the highway on a Forest Service road, but there's really not too many sites and not very big sites, to be honest. Um, like, yeah, in a small Class C, I would come down here, but anything bigger than that, I wouldn't attempt it, that's for sure. Um, but yeah, there's got to be probably a dozen, 15 campsites or so with actual fire pits and picnic tables and so on. But yeah, it's great during the week. It's not busy at all. Like none of the campsites, I don't see any campers around me. And yeah, on weekends it fills up a little bit. And like I said, people try and take that other spot. But I ended up roping it off. One of the guys here actually gave me a dog rope or a dog leash to put across because a lot of people were thinking it was an extra campsite. But really, I think it's just for an extra car. If you had a trailer or whatever. So yeah, I just put this. Can you guys even see it? This orange line seems to deter everybody. But yeah, like check out these views, eh? Like how freaking awesome is that? And yeah, there are pit toilets here. There are no other conveniences. You have to take your own garbage out, but it's only 20 minutes to Golden from here. So I've gone a few times to get groceries and propane and gas and so on. Um, and a shower, of course. But yeah, it's not a big deal to drive 20 minutes to town and gather up supplies and come back. Like I said, I knew people here, so they were watching my campsite. I left like my mat and my chair and my bike to let people know that the site was taken because it is a premium spot, like I said. Um, so yeah, I've been able to keep the spot. People have been holding it for me and been hanging out with a bunch of people, which is very nice to have conversations with people again after being on my own, which is strange. I usually like being on my own, but yeah, I enjoy being around people now. How about that? So yeah, we are leaving here tomorrow and heading to Revelstoke. Gonna go out to dinner with my daughter and her husband Carson before they head out. Hang out with them and see them. I always love hanging out with them, of course. So yeah, off to Revelstoke we go. Oh yeah, so before we head to Revelstoke, I wanted to talk about my travel plans for this summer. I am hoping to get to the Yukon this summer, actually. I think the forest fires have slowed down a little bit in northern BC. So yeah, really looking forward to going up there, seeing northern BC and seeing the Yukon. Hopefully the van's in good enough shape to make it up there. I got to check out to see if I need to bring like extra gas cans or anything. Of course, Uma has to play with the ball while I'm videoing. So yeah, hopefully get up to the Yukon, get to the Arctic Ocean, so I can say that I've been to the Atlantic, Pacific, the Gulf of Mexico, and then now the Arctic Ocean. That'd be cool to get to all the surrounding bodies of water around North America. And excited to see everything up there. Hopefully I finally get to see a moose. Still haven't seen a frickin' moose in all these years of being doing van life and even in life for that matter. Yeah, haven't seen a frickin' moose in 59 years. What the heck? In the wild anyway. So yeah, hoping to go to the Yukon. All right, continue on. Off to Revelstoke.